So starting the test drive in this 25 Explorer, I really like how high you sit up, the power you get from the motor, just the pull from the transmission and all that. It's just very, very, I guess, tame. So I'm saying that to say, like, it has the power when you need it, but it also is very calm when you're not needing to give it full throttle. Just an overall good powertrain here, and I think that's why they've kept the 2.3 in here so long with the 10-speed. But I mean, it's also in other applications as well, including the Ranger. And I'm assuming that this is through the speakers or whatever, but I love the rumble you get when you kind of put your foot down just a tad in sport mode, because it is just, it's fun. Now, I will say, kind of like the sport mode in the Mach-E that I have, I like that you can drive this normally without necessarily burning so much gas. You just kind of have to be careful with your foot, but you also always have that full amount of power when you need it if you do want to put your foot down for whatever reason. And overall, so far, the sound acoustics in here have been fantastic. Even with louder cars beside me, it hasn't really intruded on the space I have here. And even with the 20-inch wheels, road noise, pretty minimal so far. We'll test it out to the fullest extent when we get on the interstate here momentarily. Now, with this being such a slight refresh, which I guess is not really slight based on the interior and exterior, but just not anything crazy going on here, this is a very impressive SUV in my opinion. Let's give it a pull here. So can't do too much. The vehicle in front of me is not really going, but I mean, just that pull from 20 to about 50 was fantastic. And again, this is the stock engine choice here. It's a 2.3 turbo 4. But we have the Blue Cruise on now. Gonna adjust the gap back. But I mean, for 50 grand, which is basically what vehicles like these are running for, I feel like it's a little high to not have cooled seats, leather, navigation, and all of that, compared to maybe a Hyundai option or a Toyota option. But this is a very nice package here. I like the Blue Cruise, still fantastic, having the moon roof, all the amenities. The overall space in here is good for this to be a step below the Expedition. And it's just, it does it for me. But another big thank you to Ford Lincoln of Franklin for letting me review this vehicle today. And then if you're looking to get one of these in your area, just make sure you click on that link below and fill out that info, and we'll get you the best price in the area. But other than that, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Ford Explorer ST line.